Okay, so in the second video, this is whereby now I'm adding in the tracking number of the items that I actually ordered, and then we actually have a fastest way on how you can track that. All you have to do is you need to register your tracking numbers, and then from there you'll be able to track these numbers on our website. You'll be able to track them here where it says track your order. So it will only take 24 hours after submitting of your tracking numbers, and then you'll be able to track to see how far are your goods. All right, and then that will tell you whether these goods are they still in transit, are they now at the warehouse, and so forth. Right, so I'm starting off by registering my name. My name is rather Matthew Jahi, and then what did I order? I ordered a handbag, black hand, which is a set. How many are they? It's actually times 1, then a comma. What is the tracking number of this handbag? Coming down, the tracking number of the handbag is this that 3920000626, and then from there they are asking us to give the service. Is it the services, the courier method, the method that they have used, which express was it in short. So this was Yunda Express. For those who are ordering on Pinduru, you should be able to tell how to get your tracking number and the express that was used, but it should not be a problem. I intend to make a video just to teach all of you guys how you can actually order items on Pinduru. All right, and then how do you get the tracking code, and how do you know which express was used. Now that was item number 1. Item number 2, it's a yellow shorts, which is times 1. The tracking number of these shorts is this is 777-028-85-12-36-58, and then the service, the express that was used in this case was Shenton Express. And then, so I'll continue doing this. I'll continue entering all the items that I've ordered, and then after that I'll submit, and then after I'm done submitting, I will show you. I'll go back on our website still and track after they are all processed by the IT team. We'll go back, and then we'll be able to track the items on our website. Okay. So like I said yesterday, okay, so now that we have submitted our tracking numbers and they are being processed, this is after 24 hours. What is the next step? The next step is for you to go where it says track your order, So you go there. All right, and then now you are actually inserting the same tracking numbers that that you had, or rather that you have submitted. You want to see whether they are now in the warehouse or not. I'm just getting my tracking number to see if it's in the warehouse or not. All right, let me start off with this one. Okay, and then it's telling me that my order is still in transit. Now, why is it in Chinese? It's in Chinese because I've ordered from Pinduru. Now this is goodness. Okay, so this is where you need to translate your page, right? I think I have a video on this. Let me see if I can still get this. Can I translate? Okay, yes, my page is then translated. This is only possible if you are using a laptop. I haven't tried it on my phone at all. So what you have to do is you go to, or maybe I'll make a video on that, how to translate your entire page, be it whether you are using Chinese apps such as Tabao. You can actually translate the whole page, and then you have it translated from English, sorry, from Chinese to English. So this is my order. I ordered it, when did I buy this? I honestly don't remember, but it should be on the 22nd, I guess. This was done on the 22nd, and today it's still in transit. It left what company? Oh, it has left the sent to, oh, it's on the way to the warehouse. All right, so that is how you track your items to see if they are in the warehouse. When it gets there, this part, it will change, right? It will not say that your order is in transit, but rather it will say that it's now it has reached its final destination, because this is in China. And then from there, our Chinese manager will have to pick our items and send them to Namibia, and then we'll get another tracking number for the flight. Okay, so that is this is the process on how we can track our items to see if they have reached the warehouse or not. And also, one important thing that I want to emphasize on is, when you are submitting your tracking number, you should as well submit the type of express that they are using. How do you get the express? You get this from your suppliers. If not from your suppliers, say for instance, if you are ordering for yourself, be it whether it's on Pinduru, I'll show you, I'll make a video on how you can get the type of express that they have used, or rather that they will use. And then when you submit, you are giving the tracking number and the express. For instance, in Namibia, I would say it's the tracking number and Nam Korea, if that is what you used. The tracking number, how was the item shipped from wherever you are to where it's going. You used, say for instance, DHL, or rather Harta flight. So that is how it works. Thank you so much for your time once more again. Bye.